It is day 9 and I'm at home and I'm really swollen. I think it's because obviously the flight last night and everything. My arms look like Popeye arms. I don't know if you can tell. They're just really tight and swollen, and then it's just pushed fluid here. It doesn't hurt or anything, but it's just so big. Yeah, it's all okay. Excuse me looking like this. I'm wearing a pajama top just tucked in here, just so I can show you my armpits. I haven't long come home and they need doing, so I'm not having a shower today. I'll have a shower tomorrow and do it all then. So that, oh, look at the inodine or iodine. Ugh. Thought I would share me changing my armpit pads with you lot. I'm feeling great otherwise, besides the swelling. I'm in no pain whatsoever. I am so paranoid about germs. I've disinfected everything, so hopefully everything is all okay. I bought this because I couldn't find anything else that was suitable. It's wound spray, antiseptic cleaning, protects from infections. It's quite gentle apparently. If you saw yesterday's video, I posted up 2 photos of my armpits. They do look sore, don't they? They're not really open. There's no like open wounds or anything, but they just look very sore. Ugh. A little bit of discharge on there. How are they doing? I can't tell. The lighting in here is not great. So I've got some sterile gauze. I'm just going to spray on there as opposed to spraying all over, because I don't want to get the rest of the tapes wet. Oh, it feels nice and cold, but yeah, nothing coming off. It feels so weird because it's numb. There's no pain. And then I just pat lightly on top just to dry it. So I've got a pad here that Nords gave me, and I've got the iodine or inodine, and this is betadine. I've just got a little blob like that and just tap it on. I think that's quite a lot actually. Let's see, put my arms down first. Yeah, and that's worked out quite nice actually. Perfect position. They've given me enough pads until tomorrow, and I've just ordered some from Amazon, so they'll arrive tomorrow. Okay, so that's one armpit done. Oh, come on. That one's not as bad. I know the angle isn't great, but it's not as sore, I don't think. I don't like doing this. Well, I've messed that up. I'm gonna have to put tape now, but I think that's all right actually. So they're not sore. They don't look any worse than what they did yesterday. I'm trying to follow the advice that they gave me. And there's loads of information that they email you with after you go home as well, about wound care and your medical files and things like that. So yeah, I'll let you know actually how much skin they removed off me in another video. So I'll speak to you soon.